If the YouTube TV app on your Android device is not responding, freezing, or crashing, it's usually caused by cache issues, app glitches, or outdated software. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart the YouTube TV app. Fully close the app from recent apps, then reopen it to refresh the app. Step 2. Restart your Android device. Power off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This clears temporary glitches and frees up memory. Step 3. Clear the app cache and data. Note that clearing data will log you out, so be ready to sign in again. Step 4. Update the YouTube TV app from the Google Play Store. Outdated versions may fail to respond properly. Step 5. Ensure your Android OS is up to date. Go to Settings, System, Software Update, and install any pending updates. Step 6. Check your internet connection. A slow or unstable network can make the app unresponsive. After following these steps, the YouTube TV app should work smoothly on your Android device. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.